Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change your password in Windows 11. It's a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your login password safely and quickly. Let's jump right into it. So here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. To begin, move your mouse down to the bottom and click on the Start menu, then choose Settings from the list. If you don't see the settings icon right away, no worries. Just use the search bar at the top of the Start menu, type Settings, and then open it from the search results. Once your settings window opens, look to the left-hand menu and click on Accounts. This is where all your account and sign-in options are located. Now on the right side, scroll down a little until you find the sign-in option section. Click on that to open a list of all the ways you can sign into your PC, like using a PIN, fingerprint, or password. Here, under the password section, you'll see a button that says Change. Click on that. At this point, Windows will ask you to verify your current password for security reasons. Go ahead and type it in, then click Next. Now it's time to create your new password. In the first box, enter the new password you want to use. In the second box, type it again to confirm it, just to make sure there are no typos. Below that, you'll see a space for a password hint. This is optional, but it's a good idea to add a simple reminder that will help you recall your password if you forget it. For example, you can type something like favorite color or pet's name. Once you've filled in the boxes, click Next. You'll now see a message that says, next time you sign in, use your new password. That means your new password is already active and it'll take effect the next time you log in. Go ahead and click Finish, and that's it. You've successfully changed your password in Windows 11. From now on, when you restart or sign out of your computer, you'll need to use this new password to log back in. It's always a good idea to choose a strong password, something that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure, and that's how easy it is to update your Windows 11 password. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss more quick Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.